Today we'll talk about how can you disable underline links on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on preferences here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just come here to underline here links. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. So then here underline links disable with us now. That's all you have to do to disable it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.